Hello everyone. It's time to check your progress and solve a worksheet in Compacta on the topic numerals and interrogatives under determiners. And in case you want to brush up the concepts which I told you about this topic, you can go to the link in the description given below. So for now, let's start our work. This is module 3 of Compacta, wherein you will find the topic determiners. This page displays an overview of 7 types of determiners. Have a look at it and understand the types. Start solving the first question, and it says fill in the blanks by converting the cardinals in the brackets into ordinals. Cardinals means counting and ordinals means ordering. I explained you this in my video also. Let's start doing it. India celebrates her Independence Day on the 15 is given to you. We have to change it into its cardinal form. So it will be 15th. Like this. And also when we are talking about dates, we always use the cardinal form. Next, my parents got the silver bowl on the occasion of their 25 will become 25th. 25th. This is my dash visit to London. 1 will become first. My daughter is a student of dash class. 12 will become 12th. I was born on the 22 of July 1973. So 22 as in cardinals will become 22nd. Like this. Let's do the second one now, question number B, and it says fill in the blanks with the correct cardinals, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we have to put cardinals here. Let's start. Dash of my all-time favorite movies is called Gone with the Wind. What could be the answer here? One of my all-time favorite movies. Next, there are dash things that I don't like. Anger, greed and pretense. How many are these in the list? 3. So we are going to write here 3. There are dash directions. East, west, north and south. How many directions? 4. So we are going to write here 4. A hexagonal figure has dash sides. Hexagon, you must have read or learnt in maths. Hexagon has got 6 sides. So here we are going to write 6. Ravan is said to have dash heads. How many heads did Ravan have? 10. So we're going to write here 10. The next one says, we are open 7 days a week and dash months a year. How many months are there in a year? 12. So I'm going to write here 12 months a year. Virat Kohli is playing at dash runs. He is just 1 run short of another century. Now a century is of 100 and he is 1 run short, means 99. So here we are going to fill 99 runs. In India, young people get the right to vote at the age of dash years. At the age of 18 years. Let's do question number C now. Fill in the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns. That is the question words whose, what and which. These are the interrogative pronouns. Let's start. Dash pizza would you like to order? Thin crust or regular crust? Now here we have been given options to choose from. So in such cases we will write which. Dash book are you reading? Smith. What book are you reading, because the questioner is asking the question on a general basis. Dash books are these? Whose books are these? Dash club have you joined? Photography club or pottery club? Now we've been given two choices, photography club or pottery club, which means we have to write the word here, which. Dash baby has his or her birthday today. Whose baby? Dash questions do you think will be appropriate for the interview? What questions? Because we've been given here general category. Dash of 3 cards do you like the most? Which of 3 cards? We've been given a set to choose from. The boy dash parents run a vegetable shop has topped the class. The boy whose parents? The police don't know dash car was involved in the accident. Whose car? You don't know dash troubles I have gone through, my son. You don't know what troubles. Keep practicing. Should you have any doubts, I'm always here to clarify them. Best of luck and thank you very much.